What's up, guys? Clay Mallard Motors here. Got a new truck on the lot I'm going to show you real quick. Don't forget about our referral program. That's where you can earn yourself $200 in cash. I'll tell you a little bit more about how that works in just a second. What we're looking at here is a 2017 model Ram 3500. This one has the 6.4 liter Hemi in it, so not a diesel, but it does have the flatbed on it, and it is a dually, and it is four-wheel drive. Just your basic white color. Still got clear headlights. Also got the lights on the roof too. Four-door crew cab. Got fixed running boards on both sides. Got these towing mirrors that flip up. You also got blinkers on the side mirrors there. Got some decent tread left on the tires. Got some storage on both sides, right behind the cab. Got a gooseneck right there. Lift that up, it'll be up underneath. Towing package, and you got an aftermarket backup camera. Cloth interior, and you got the vinyl floors. Got power locks, power windows, power adjustable mirrors. Gonna have manual seats. I think I left the key on my desk. Yeah, I want to walk with me real quick. So yeah, you got an office tour too, free of charge. But it's got the key fob key. You use this as the actual key in the ignition. Okay, we have 189,000 miles on the dash. Got cruise control on the steering wheel and some controls for the radio. Do have a little touchscreen radio right there. It does have Bluetooth connectivity. Got your trailer brake, manual differential. Got your auxiliary right there. Just your basic work truck. As I mentioned earlier, we do have a referral program. You can earn $200 in cash. Just give me a call ahead of time. Let me know who you are, who you're referring to us, and when they purchase a vehicle priced over $4,000, we'll give you $200 in cash. If you got any more questions about this truck, you can reach me at 870-639-9200.